Hello guys, welcome to this two-bedroom apartment in Madrid. We're gonna check it out. So here's the entrance, this is the main door, okay? And here's the kitchen. It's a fully furnished kitchen, as you can see it's equipped, including a washing machine and dishwasher, okay? And we're gonna exit, and we're gonna check out the living room. This would be the living room, it's pretty spacious. It includes two sofas, coffee tables, TV, and a dining space. Alright. Okay, now we're gonna check out the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. It's a fully furnished bathroom, okay? It includes a shower plate, as you can see. And right here in front, we have the first bedroom. Okay, this would be the first bedroom. It includes a closet you can use for extra storage. Second bedroom, it's pretty similar to the other one. Okay, this would be the second bathroom. Alright, and this would be the floor plan. And this would be the static floor plan. Okay, and that's it. Thank you guys.